You own a small business and you've got a rock star employee who suddenly looks exhausted. They're ducking out into the hallway to make more phone calls, and they've missed some details. This is often a caregiver crisis, not a character flaw. I am Kim Pfaff, the founder and CEO of Healthcare Survival Kit. I've lived that as a spouse and an employee. I help these employees and their employers navigate these medical crises. Let me give you 3 survival kit tips to help you through this. Number one, in a quiet, confidential setting, simply state to that employee, if you're caregiving for someone you love, I want to support you in that. And just leave it at that. You don't have to ask any more questions and you don't have to pry. Just naming that to the employee helps alleviate the stress. Here's the second survival kit tip: be flexible around some of those appointment times and start times. Let them flex their hours, especially if it lets them be more focused for you. And survival kit tip number 3: give them a list of resources they can use as a caregiver so that they're not up Google searching at midnight. My name is Kim Pfaff. I'm the founder and CEO of Healthcare Survival Kit. I'm also a caregiver and a social worker. Feel free to reach out if you have questions or you need resources. Thanks.